It is 26 degrees in here. My goal, cap that off, hold off the back, space heater in the back of it. I'm going to try to get it like 50 or 60 in here, so I can sand all these bastards. I've been waiting 2 weeks. It's been too cold in here to do anything. If I'm going to waste the energy to try to heat the joint, I'm not going to do 6,000 square feet. I can do about 200. See if it works. Side effect I'll just have to live with. Ooh, that ought to work. Well, I've got more control over the heat anyway. Biggest problem is this thing blows. Not in a bad way, but it blows like crazy to keep its own motor clean. Working. Hey, we hit 27. Yay. The breeze off of the heater blowing is cold. I'm tired of sitting around not doing anything, waiting for it to fucking warm up next week. Fuck that. I'm doing it. I gotta do something. 60. Let's rock. It's 60 out, and I'm taking advantage. It's 32 degrees back there. We're doing this. Get some vitamin D on me. So I wound up with 127 of the 3's and 140 of the 2's. That's including first run, prototypes, yada yada. Came up with a clever trick though. Sandpaper on an Allen wrench. Started the paper, taped it, folded the tape back, stuck it to the wrench, wrap it around, that way it didn't go anywhere. So I can get the burrs. I'm thinking about going to 150. I can get 10 2's and 13 3's out of an 8-foot stick. Because I can get 62's and 43's out of an 8-foot stick. That's not a problem. My worry is, what isn't going to make it through the process. And I don't want to spend the $8 for a stick of, well, what was it, 3? I don't know. They're footing the bill. They're offsetting the cost, so if I do. I'm still waiting on a stamp. Been a month and a half. I guess he needs some steel from Canada. Yeah, quiet, dignity, and grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things are down there where I keep all the linky stuff. Notification bell, because reasons. I do thank you for watching. I do thank you for your time. Bye.